to explain the important steps of processing of tRNAs in bacteria and eukaryotes, the yeast tyrosine tRNA is used. The yeast tyrosine tRNA specifically binds tyrosine. The yeast tRNA gene undergoes transcription to produce primary transcript. The nucleotide sequences shown in yellow color are removed from the primary transcript during tRNA processing. At first, 5' end of primary transcript undergoes cleavage. During the cleavage of 5' end, an endonuclease called as RNase P makes a cut in the primary transcript. RNase P enzyme is present in all organisms. RNase P enzyme contains both protein and RNA. The RNA component is essential for the activity of RNase P. RNase P enzyme is a catalytic RNA. In bacterial cells, RNase P can carry out its processing function with precision without the protein component. After the cleavage of 5' end, cleavage of 3' end of the primary transcript occurs. During the cleavage of 3' end, an exonuclease called RNase D makes a cut in the primary transcript. In the next step, CCA is added to the 3' end of the primary transcript. This CCA addition is catalyzed by an enzyme called as tRNA nucleotidyl transferase. CCA is the 3' terminal trinucleotide. The CCA addition is a necessary step in processing eukaryotic tRNAs and those bacterial tRNAs that lack CCA sequence in the primary transcript. While the 5' end and 3' end are being processed, specific bases in the rest of the primary transcript are modified. After these steps, an intermediate is formed. This intermediate contains modified bases like dihydrouridine, ribothiamidine, pseudouridine, methyl adenosine, methyl guanosine, and methyl cytosine. This is the added 3' terminal trinucleotide CCA. The intermediate contains 14 nucleotide intron shown in yellow color. For the yeast tyrosine tRNA, the final step of processing is the splicing of the 14 nucleotide intron shown in yellow color in the intermediate. After splicing, mature tyrosine tRNA is produced. Now, some important points. Introns are found in some eukaryotic tRNAs. Introns are absent in bacterial tRNAs. Most cells have 40 to 50 different tRNAs. Please like, subscribe and share.